This video is brought to you by Kapara Productions. Let's begin. A common question I always get asked as a Hebrew teacher is what's the difference between Otti and Itti? Though these two words sound alike, they are indeed very different words. Otty and Itti are one of the hurdles new Hebrew students have to bypass, and I do realize how confusing they can be. I mean, come on, look at them side by side. When we break them down, Otti is constructed from it plus ani. Itti is constructed from im plus ani. So, how do we use them correctly? Glad you asked. It is a preposition used to introduce a direct object, in this case, the person we're speaking about. We use this pronoun similar to how we would use the pronoun me in English. Here's how we would conjugate it. Oti, me. Otcha, you to a guy. Otach, you to a woman. Oto, him. Ota, her. Otanu, us. Etchem, you guys. Etchen, you gals. Otam, them for men. Otan, them for women. Please notice how in the second person plural, when I'm saying you guys or you gals, I'm pronouncing it etchem and etchen without the letter vav. That is the correct way of pronouncing it, not otchem or otchen. Here are some examples. אפשר לבוא לבקר אתכם? Is it possible to visit you guys? אני רוצה לחבק אותם. I want to hug them. אתה יכול לראות אותי? Can you see me? אני שומע אותם מעולה. I hear them perfectly. אני אוהבת אותך. I love you. Now, let's take a look at Itti, shall we? We use Itti and its conjugations to say with someone, or im plus ani. Let's conjugate. Itti with me. Itcha with you to a man. Itach with you to a woman. Ito with him. Ita with her. Itanu with us. Itchem with you guys. Itchen with you gals. Itam with them when speaking about men. Itan with them when speaking about women. Let's look at some examples. הוא הולך איתו למשחק. He is going to the game with him. יאללה, בוא איתי לפארק. Come on, come with me to the park. מי בא איתנו להופעה? Who is coming with us to the concert? אני איתה באוניברסיטה. I'm with her at university. I hope this tutorial gave you a basic understanding between Otti and Itti. Continue watching my other videos to learn more important concepts in Hebrew. That is all, guys and girls. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, yalla bye.